Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sneha. I create beauty and fashion content here on my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you this Glam complete makeup tutorial. Starting off my makeup with the moisturizer. I'm using the Pond's Superlight Gel Moisturizer and applying complete all over my face. This moisturizer is super affordable and this is meant to be for oily, but I like it on my skin. Next, I'm using the sunscreen. This is the sunscreen from LA Sheild. This is my daily sunscreen. Like, I have finished second tube. This is my third tube, I believe. This is very good for dry skin people. As I previously mentioned in other videos as well, this doesn't give white cast and looks good on skin. The first step of makeup is a primer. A primer acts as a layer between your skin and the makeup. So it is very important to apply primer before you start off your foundation or any concealer. Just dab the primer on the areas where you have pores, on the nose, on the cheeks and under the chin. The primer I'm using here is from Blueheaven Cosmetics. This is very affordable. Here I'm using the Glow Base Primer. This is from Swiss Beauty. This primer gives exact glow like a highlighter will give. This can be applied before you apply the makeup or on top of the makeup as well. Next I'm using the concealer. I'm going with a lighter. This is just like a daily wear concealer. It does not have the heavy thing. And meanwhile I'm doing my eyebrows using the eyebrow pencil. This is a great eyebrow pencil for daily wear. I'm now blending the concealer with the teeny brush. Just blending the concealer all over my face wherever I apply. And a little bit on my eyes as well. These days I'm really addicted to this brushes from Real Techniques. I'm really loving it. And now I applied a foundation that is from Nykaa Skingenius, which is in my shade. Absolutely love this foundation, and I even bought a big size of this same foundation shade from Nykaa Skingenius. I applied a teeny amount all over my face and dabbing it from Real Technique brushes with a Now applying the blush. This is from Wet n Wild, or no, this blush is from Mary Claire. This is really high pigmented blush. I love this blush color as well. It comes in two shades actually. And now I'm taking the light green color and applying all over my eyelids. Before applying this eyeshadow, I applied concealer and primed with the powder as well, and taking it a step by step process, like going with light shade and applying a dark shade all over the eyelid. And after that I'll take the dark shade and just put it on the outer corner of my eyelid. Then I'll blend it in the same dabbing motion. As you can see, I'm also doing the same process on my other eyelid as well. You should really go in step by step process. Don't just take it all at once and apply it. It will not settle. Now here comes the beautiful thing. I'm doing the glitters on my eyes, taking a glitter from the eyeshadow palette. The eyeshadow palette here I'm using is from S.F.R. I'll mention all the details in the comments. Please check it out. Just dabbing it on the eyelid to apply it. This is a pressed glitter, so there is no need of any glue to apply the glitters. Just rub it on the eyeshadow and just apply it. Next I'm using the contour. I'm using this contour from the Profusion palette, using the same brush on the nose as well, just to lightly contour my nose, and applying the highlighter in the shade Champagne from the same palette, that is from Profusion. Applying the highlighter on the high points of my face, on the nose, cheeks, on the chin, and I took a smaller brush which comes from the palette, which comes in the palette only. So I applied it in the inner corner of my eyes and on the eyebrow bone. Applying the kajal. This kajal is from Maybelline, my absolute favorite. I love the eyeliner from the same brand as well. Actually, I bought this combo from the Flipkart for 5 to 600 rupees. I think it was during the sale. I loved it very much. The eyeliner though is just warm. I usually don't apply kajal, but I liked it with it. And here I am now struggling to apply the eyeliner. As you can see, it's very difficult for me to apply the eyeliner on both eyes and also to get that perfect. But unknowingly, or it's like maybe out of practice, I got it a bit perfect, I can say. I was actually looking for my sister to help me out to apply the eyeliner. So as she was not around, I was doing the eyeliner on myself. I tried to get it a wing. Taking it to the front and applying in towards the inner corner of the eye. With this, the eyes will, like, it will give a shape to your eyes. This will look so good. I recently figured it out doing it, and I'm feeling great, like my eyes were looking good. And the mascara here I'm using is from Inside Cosmetics. I bought this mascara just for a like daily use, but in the monsoon, during monsoon, you can always go with the waterproof mascara, like the Maybelline, L'Oreal, Lash Paradise, many more in the market. But this is great for a daily wear. Applying it in the inner lashes, on inner lashes. And now taking the lipstick from Blueheaven Cosmetics. I think I have more products from Blueheaven Cosmetics as it is affordable. So I can do a reel on Instagram with these products, like affordable makeup look. Okay, that's a great idea. The next YouTube video will be an affordable makeup look with these products. Applying the lipstick. I do not have a lip liner, so with the help of lipstick itself, I'm applying outer line and then applying the lipstick. Next, I'm setting the makeup with the setting spray that is from Inside Cosmetics. Earlier I used to use a Swiss Beauty, but later I realized that it's not that great when compared to Inside Cosmetics. So here I finished this complete look. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and comment, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.